guys, what's up? So let's get straight into this video. I'm gonna start off with my brows, and I'm gonna be using the MAC Pro Longwear Fluid Line in the color Dip Down, and I just pretty much line my brows on the bottom and fill it in towards the middle and towards the top, and then I brush it out with a spoolie. Very simple. My eyebrow routine has changed so much, so this MAC Dip Down that I'm using is completely a new product that I've never used before, and I just started using it, and I will say I actually do love it. Now I'm going to be using my concealer, which is also from MAC, and I'm going to be using a flat brush to go ahead and line my brows. I line the bottom and the top. Be careful with this, guys, because you don't want to line too much towards the front of your brows or it would look very boxy-ish. Next, I'm going to be using this strobe cream. Guys, this strobe cream makes your skin look amazing, airbrushed, smooth, like a baby's butt. It looks amazing, okay? I was in the airport and the girl introduced me to this product and I've been using it religiously ever since. So I put this underneath my foundation. I am going to be using the MAC Pro Longwear with the flat top foundation brush, and I'm going to go ahead and just blend that into my skin. I kind of went back to MAC. I have a love-hate relationship with MAC. My skin gets so used to it that I don't see a difference after a couple of months. So here I am going back to the MAC life. I am going to be using a Real Technique Beauty Blender to go ahead and dry the foundation a little bit, along with that Select Moisturizer Concealer once again to put underneath my eyes. So this foundation might look really light on camera, but in real life, I swear it's my color. My skin, this used to be so dark for my skin. Like, I used to look so tan, and it's so crazy how light I look. Like, my skin is getting lighter over the years, darker over the year, which is so funny to me. So I'm gonna be using the Sacha Buttercup for my eyeshadow. I use this as a base because my eyelids crease, and I'm gonna be using this Urban Decay Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to be using that color Rift to put in the corner. Now, guys, I clearly had a lot of time in the airport, so all these new products are literally from the airport, and I'm in love with them. I'm in love with this palette. Okay, it does everything that I needed to do. It looks good. It's neutral. It is so me. So I will be using this palette a lot for a lot of my looks. I feel like when a lot of people do makeup, they use several... Sorry, that's my dog in the background. People use several eyeshadow palettes to create one look. Guys, I keep it simple. I use one palette and that's it. Here I am using the same concealer, the Select Moisturizer in the color NC42, and I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of like line my lids a little bit so that color kind of pops when I put the purple over this. If you guys haven't noticed, all the information for the products that I'm using will be in the description box, and it is also on the corner of the screen. So I just pat this purple eyeshadow all over my lid, and it helps to get this look to be very vibrant. I wouldn't spread this, guys. Really just use your brush and pat the color in until the concealer underneath is fully covered. Next, go in with this darker brown and just put that in the crease to kind of give it some definition and some like shadow effect going on. Now we're gonna go back to the face. So I'm gonna be using this Fenty Beauty matchstick. I use it in the color Truffle, and I use this for my contour. It's probably the only product that I've been using for the last year, and it has been doing amazing for me. I absolutely love this. It's not too dark, it's not too light. It gives me the exact contour that I need. So you can see where I placed it: cheekbones, jawline, chin, kind of sculpt the face a little bit. Now I'm going to go back in with my Sacha Buttercup, and I love this setting powder because it has a yellow undertone, which I clearly have, and it actually does last very long. So you can see under my eyes already it's creasing, and this is an issue I have all the time. So this product really helps to like get the crease away, gives me a nice smooth matte finish. Now I'm going to be using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish, and I kind of just put this all over my face as a finishing powder. This is also in the color dark. Going back with that Sacha Buttercup, I'm gonna line my cheekbones because this helps to make my face look more chiseled than sculpted, which is the look that I'm kind of going for. Kind of make my contour area pop a little bit more. Go back in with that purple and kind of line the bottom of your lid. After that, we're going to use the lightest color, and we're going to put that on the kind of pointy part of our inner eyes. I'm probably saying this so wrong, so if you know what I'm trying to say, write it down below. Now I'm going to go with my Wet n Wild's eyeliner. Guys, this was like probably $3 or $2 from Forever 21. Give yourself a nice sharp eyeliner. And now I'm going to be using my lashes from Lovely Lash Studio. These are premium mink lashes, and they're so, guys, they give you so much life. Okay, so much life. So if you're into those big lashes that really speak volumes, go ahead and look into Lovely Lash. I will have the link for the lashes down below. Now it's time for highlighting. This is my favorite highlighter, okay? It's from Urban Decay, and it is for your face and your body, and it's also vegan, in case you're interested. And clearly I already did my lips, so I'm gonna be using my MAC lip gloss in the color See-Through, along with a brown lip liner, and kind of just blend that out. And this is the finished look, guys. I went back to MAC, and I love MAC, so I will always be going back and forth. I love this look. Let me know if you guys want any more makeup looks, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.